So unfortunately no video tonight, which is a bit of a bugger. I did have plans to go away for this weekend and sort of have an extended weekend away, 4 or 5 days off, doing some filming, trying to get 2 or 3 videos worth of footage. But unfortunately, didn't come to it. We were trying to get the rooftop tent on last night. We were racing around and it just didn't happen. We had to pull the awning off and just couldn't do it. We need another, I guess, couple of blokes to lift it on. So yeah, we'll have to get over that. But touch wood today, that'll be going back on the car and hopefully the awning will go on there as well. And I'll be off out and about having a look around, hopefully avoiding that weather there. But yeah, no video, spewing about that. Also, the working situation. Yes, back at work, simply because, well, when you think about it, we are going into a bigger caravan in the future. Fuel prices the way they are, just, I think it'll be stupid not to go back to work. So we'll see how we go there. So we might be dropping down from 3 videos a week to 2. Social will have her Sunday video, I'll have 1 other video. And hopefully, if I can do a 5 to 7 day trip away and get, I don't know, 3 weeks, 4 weeks worth of videos, that gives me 3 weeks worth of working. I can potentially save some money, ready to finish our trip back off around Australia. But we'll see how that goes there. But yeah, back at work, and touch wood, that'll be back on the car tonight, and we'll be off tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for watching, and sorry about the no video tonight, but we'll make up for it somewhere.